CrossFitters, as we ramp up for the 2026 Open, history shows the same killers. Double unders, thrusters, toes to bar, muscle ups, snatches, burpees, demanding integration but exposing asymmetries that fuel shoulder, back, knee injuries, the top culprits over the past decade. Chiropractic evaluations catch these imbalances early, restoring mobility for coordinated power. Dry needling zeroes in on trigger points across the body for rapid pain relief and muscle reset. Great for compensating patterns in gymnastics or barbell work. Radial shockwave therapy targets tendinopathies holistically, enhancing healing in shoulders, backs, or knees to keep you training consistently. Track asymmetries weekly. Layer in these tools 2 to 3 times per week alongside mobility flows and recovery protocols. This combo minimizes tweaks from the high intensity volume of the Open and maximizes output. Prep smart with chiropractic, dry needling, and shockwave. Your body will reward you with peak performance. Crush it in 2026.